Good morning, children. Now let us have the revision of midterm exam 2020 class 10 lesson 4 quadratic equation. First we will see MCQ based questions. In that first one is, if the equation 4x square plus 4x plus k equals to 0 has real and distinct roots. Has real and distinct root means what? Discriminant, that is d is less than 0. Okay, has real and distinct root means where discriminant d is greater than 0. Okay, so is greater than 0 means, now here d discriminant value what? Formula we know, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. Now the values of from here quadratic equation, see what is the value of a, b and c. Okay, now the same values put in the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, and then find the value of k, and after getting the value of k, whether the k is less than 4, greater than 4 or greater than equals to 4 or less than equals to 4, check it out after solving that, and which is the correct answer, find it out. Okay, now after that second question is, if the equation 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 equals to 0 has equal roots, then the roots are both, then in this case we know that again we have to find the discriminant, that is for condition, that is the nature of roots we have seen, when d equals to 0 it has equal roots, is it not? When d is equals to 0 it has equal roots. Now formula of d, you know, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now put the values of a, b, c equals to 0, that d equals to 0 put, and then solve and get the value of k and find the roots. Okay, the value of k in the roots are that out of the 4 options, which is the correct one, check it out. Then third one is, if ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 has equal roots, then c equals to, then again same way, has equal roots means what? Has equal roots means d equals to 0, that is discriminant equals to 0. Okay, so now here d means again same b square minus 4ac. Okay, that is equals to 0. Now put the values of b, a, c in that particular discriminant part, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Put the values and see which one satisfies the value of c. Okay, that will be the answer. After that go for fourth question, that is the value of c for which the equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0 has equal roots is, means again go for equal roots means d equals to 0, discriminant equals to 0. Now d means b square minus 4ac, you already know about it. Now put the values of b, a, c, okay, in that discriminant part and makes it equals to 0. Then solve for the value of c and check which out of the 4 options is the correct one. Okay, now after that go for the fifth one, the positive value of k for which the equation this, that is x square plus kx plus 64 equals to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equals to 0 will have both have real roots, both have real roots. That means d equals to 0 in both the cases, both the quadratic equation d equals to 0 you have to do. Okay, so that means for the first one k, and you have to see if you are getting on solving the value of k, one might be negative, the other one might be positive. Okay, so you have to consider only the positive value, because in the question it is given the positive value of k. Okay, so first ones, that is d equals to 0, that is here you see the value of a is 1, b is 2, b is k, sorry, b is k, and c is 64. Okay, so put the values of a, b, c in that discriminant part. Okay, so where d equals to 0, and same way go for the second quadratic equation, that is x square minus 8x plus k equals to 0. Okay, there also you find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, and where the discriminant again equals to 0, because both have equal roots it is given. Okay, so d equals to 0, d equals to 0 in both the cases. So simplify and get the value of k. Okay, only take the positive value. If any negative value of k you are getting, ignore it. Okay, and take only the positive value of it. Okay, then next comes sixth question. If x square plus k into 4x plus k minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0 has equal roots, then k equals 2. Now first, that quadratic equation which is given, x square plus k into 4x plus k minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0. Simplify that equation, that is k you multiply with the bracket ones, that is 4x plus k minus 1. Okay, on multiplication first get x square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 will be the constant terms. Okay, that will be c will be what, k square minus k plus 2, and here b will be what, b will be 4k, and a is 1. Okay, so equal roots means again d equals to 0. So now here put the values of b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now put the values of b square, that is a and c, in the equation. Okay, that is in the value of d. Okay, d equals to b square minus 4ac, put the values of a, b, c and simplify for k. So what answer you are getting? Check it out from the 4. Now seventh one will be the value of k for which the quadratic equation 16x square plus 4k x plus 9 equals to 0 has real and equal roots are. Again, real and equal roots means what? Equals to d equals to 0. Now again, from here, from the given quadratic equation, find the value of a, b and c, and then in the discriminant one, d equals to 0, put the value of b, a and c, and that equals to 0. Do it. That means b square minus 4ac equals to 0, and then simplify for k and check it out what values you are getting. Okay, so solve this MCQ1 and get the answers for it. Now after that MCQ we will have subjective type question. So first subjective type is, if the sum of a number and its reciprocal is this much, find the value, that is 2 1 upon 30. Find the number. Let the number be x, then its reciprocal will be what? 1 upon x. The sum of the number and its reciprocal means x plus 1 upon x equals to 2 1 upon 30. Then simplify. Okay, that equation you simplify, x plus 1 upon x equals to 2 1 upon 30. Okay, so these mixed fractions you simplify into improper and then cross multiply and get the value of x. Okay, now the second question is, find the value of k for which the quadratic equation k plus 4x x square plus k plus 1x plus 1 equals to 0 has real roots. Again quadratic equation is given where k constant k value you have to find. Okay, so k plus 4 is the value of a equals to k plus 4, b equals to k plus 1 and c is 1. Okay, so now again has equal roots means discriminant d equals to 0. So d equals d value of d That formula we know, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now put the value of b, a and c, okay, and then simplify for k, okay, get the value of k. That is the second one. Third one, find the value of k for which the equation x square plus 5kx plus 16 equals to 0 has no real roots. No real roots means d is less than 0. Okay, so d is less than 0 means, again here we know that a is, from the given quadratic equation, a is 1, b is 5k and c is 16. So now discriminant d is less than 0. Formula of d we know, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so d square minus 4ac is less than 0. Put the values of b, a and c and simplify for k. Okay. Then next, fourth question is solve for x, then colon marks x minus 1, for which x minus, given equation is x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 equals to 3, 1 upon 3, where x is not equals to 2 comma 4. Now here first take the LCM of these numbers, that is x minus 2 and x minus 4. X minus 2 into x minus 4, take the LCM and simplify. Okay, and then after that whatever numerator you are getting on simplification, and the denominator will be x minus 2 into x minus 4 equals to, now this mixed fraction you change it into improper fraction, that will be 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, so 10 upon 3. Now both you cross multiply, on cross multiplication and simplification you will get a quadratic equation. Okay, so once you get the quadratic equation using that root formula, okay, find the value of x. Okay, quadratic roots of quadratic equation formula use and get the value of x. Okay, that is x equals to b minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that formula you know. So put and get the value of x. Okay, now the next is fifth question. Solve the quadratic equation 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equals to 0 by the method of completing the square. That means first change this quadratic into this 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equals to 0. In that, divide the whole quadratic equation by 9. Okay, so that our x square term will be only x square, no constants will be there. So on dividing the whole with 9, we will get x square minus 15 upon 9x plus 6 upon 9 equals to 0. So now make the first part as the square of x minus some terms. So how will you do that? That is x square minus 2 into, that is the formula of x minus b, a minus b whole square formula. In that way change and take the constant to the other side, and again square root, that is a minus b whole square equals to some value, likewise then a minus b equals to square root of the equals to sign that side, whatever value you are getting, find the square root of it and then simplify for that x, that is the square roots of that you find by completing the square method. Okay, then sixth question is solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. So factorization method means first take the LCM of the LHS side, that means equals to sign left hand side one, that is 2x, what is the given value of left hand side one, that is 2x upon x minus 4 plus 2x minus 5 upon x minus 3. Now take the LCM and RHS is equals to 25 upon 3. Now take the LCM, that is x minus 4 into x minus 3, and then simplify the numerator, that is 2x into x minus 3 plus 2x minus 5 into x minus 4, okay, equals to 25 upon 3. Now the numerator also you multiply and the denominator also multiply and equals to 25 upon 3. Now cross multiply and get an quadratic equation. So that quadratic equation, factorize it by splitting method. That means middle term splitting method. Okay, which you have already done in class 8th also and 7th also, splitting the middle term. Okay, so by splitting the middle term method of factorization, get the value of x. Okay, clear? So solve these questions, and if you will have any doubt, again contact me. Okay, all the very best.